Today is opening day for my shop, and I'm here at 10 Bridge Street, and today is the first day. That's my sign right here. It's exciting, and I'll show you inside the shop and so you can see what it looks like. And I'm still getting ready. I still have quite a few things that I need to set up and everything, but it's looking good. All right, we'll be here. Okay, first we gotta get it in there.
You can do it.
I can do it. That's how it goes. Oh, it has a little thing here. Let's see. Okay. It has a little thing that you tighten it up. So that's it. All right. It is the first day, and so I didn't have a chance to do my hair, but you know, you women understand. Get your hair done, and there you go. So I just want to show you a little bit of what I have for my display. So, and all the prices are online anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but this is my little setup right here. I got voted down on this, but I might be changed, who knows. So those are all the soaps right there. I have oatmeal and lavender and apple sage. I have a whole different batch of them, and I do have unscented ones. And then here I have, like, this is all my goat milk, and I will do a video on my labeling because I have changed my labeling, and I do have like a new printer. So I want to do some videos on that too. So that'll be coming up later, and you'll see that in my feed. If you're a subscriber, that'd be great. You'll see that. These are like, this is a birthday one. I still have like this one's really big, so it doesn't fit into this box. So this is the new label right here. I don't know if you can see that. And this is done with a, it's an Epson printer. It's a very expensive printer. And so I'll do a video on that one too. So I got several different printers. And then those are the new labeling there. And then these are the little hand soaps that you see on my website. That's the goat milk ones. And this is done with a Moonbeam label maker. And the reason I did that is because when you rub it like this, it doesn't come off, because you know, customers come in, our hands have natural oil on it anyways. And so when you touch something, it kind of smudges it. So that's what I've learned with labeling. And then I have like this here. This one I went and I punched it out. So I had a puncher, it's a daisy one. And then I got the little boxes, you know, online. And I'll have a link in the description for that. So that's the soaps there. And then I have over here, I have my shower steamers. And I have a potential customer that wants to do a wholesale order for my shower steamers. So hopefully that happens. And then I just have some empty bottles. You know, if customers want to smell, you know, what does clary sage smell like, you know, I just have some empty ones. It's a good idea for people that haven't smelled different essential oils, and it's new to them. It's a nice way to introduce it. And then I have here, these are my bath scoops, and I have a video on that if you want to watch that after this one. And then these are the bath salts, botanical. This is lavender chamomile, and that's the botanical one. But I do have muscle ones and stuff. I don't have everything out right now. So that's about it. Over here, this is my shower steamers, the packs that you can get. And then I have my bug spray. This is a seasonal thing. So I have my body butters, as you can see, the foot balms, lotions. This is more pump lotions, and then these are little lotion bars, and it's like a shape of a heart. And that's all on my website. So I just want to tell you that don't give up on your dreams. You know, I'm older. I don't know if I want to say this, but I'm 56 years old, And this has been a dream of mine to always have a little shop. Also the manufacturing part of it. But I just want to say, don't ever give up on your dreams, no matter how far-reaching they may be. Because sometimes you feel like that, you know, it's like, will I ever be able to succeed at this? Or will I ever be able to have this? Or will I ever be able to have my own business? So I just want to say, don't give up on your dreams. It is possible as long as you put in the hard work, because this is a lot of hard work. I've done a lot of craft shows, trade shows, network marketing, B&I is another one. That I've done for network marketing, so public speaking, things like that. And this is, if you've seen the other videos, this is 1825. It was built in 1825, so it's taken over 3.5 years for this to be completed. So that's a long time, and so patience and persistence and just knowing your market really does help you to succeed in business or whatever you want to do for, you know, your dreams. So my point in doing this video today is not only showing you the opening of my business, but not to give up on your dreams. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, I do have other ones, like I said, the bath salts and the bubble scoops, but also if you want to watch the beginning of my journey, I have a playlist on the shop. So all right, thank you for joining me today, and bye for now.